For our new Super Jumbo with the serial number MSN38, the countdown has begun. Work on the Lufthansa flagship is entering the final stages. The cockpit of the first Airbus A380 to carry the Lufthansa logo is a hive of industrious activity. The clock's ticking, and there's still so much to do. From the galley to the seats, thousands of components are waiting to furnish the A380's interior. The complex cabin interior is furnished with complete precision, carried out under almost laboratory conditions. Several Lufthansa inspectors keep the new aircraft under careful scrutiny around the clock. Nothing escapes them. Right down to the last millimeter, everything must fit and, above all, function. Tolerances of any kind are simply not tolerated. Every single component has been tailor-made for the world's biggest passenger aircraft. One of the greatest challenges, a sophisticated system was devised for bringing the 526 seats into the A380, where they're installed in accordance with a precisely defined plan. The precision work required here is to ensure that over 500 passengers on board the plane are made as comfortable as possible. Besides 8 seats in the first and 420 in the economy class, there are 98 business class seats to accommodate future fans of the first Lufthansa A380. And time is getting short. The Super Jumbo with the serial number MSN38 will soon take to the skies as Lufthansa's new flagship, the beginning of a new travelling dimension, and you can be there at the start. Experience the first Lufthansa A380 being launched into active service. Be part of it.